If you want to know 5 ways to finance your house purchase, then stay tuned. 5. Savings. You are working hard and you should save a decent chunk of your monthly pay. Everyone's circumstances are different and how much you can save each month will vary, but a good percentage to aim for is around 20%. I have another video on how to save for a house deposit linked above and in the description below, so check it out. Once you have saved enough for a deposit, then you can go happy hunting for your fantastic house. 4. Mortgage. This will probably be the most common type of finance to fund your property purchase. A mortgage is when the lender loans you the money, often the balance between your deposit and the value of the house, and you repay the loan over a number of years that suit your circumstances. When you need a mortgage, you can ask the banks directly, or you can use a mortgage broker to find a product that works for you. 3. Bank of Parents. In the current cost of living crisis, it is already very difficult to save for a deposit. If you're fortunate enough to come to borrow from your family, then every little help goes a long way. When you go down this road, then make sure you agree on how this is repaid and when. Borrowing from family is not regulated or as formal as a mortgage, so make sure there's no ambiguity to cause unnecessary arguments. Next, please support the channel and get notified of more great tips by knocking on the like and subscribe button. Go on, smash those buttons. 2. Inheritance. We shouldn't rely on inheritance as a formal plan to fund the house purchase, as this is an emotional way to come to money. If this situation does arise, then work through how the inheritance can be used with your family, and once you've worked out how much is available, then you can plan your next steps. This is a sensitive way of funding your house purchase and could be a good way to remember loved ones with the right house. 1. Help to Buy. This is where the government can loan you up to 20% of the value of the property and is often interest-free for 5 years. The value of the loan is up to 40% in London, and there are regional price caps to take into account. The rest of the funds to purchase the house would need to come from your savings, at least 5%, and the rest on a mortgage. There are several criteria to qualify for Help to Buy, such as needing to be a first-time buyer and to be within the property price cap, so check the government website for more details. I want to know what other ways you have found to finance your house purchase. Comment below and I'll catch you in the next one.